Assalamu alaikum, this is Sir Talha. Chapter number 2 of second year function is going on. If a question is given to you as function x square minus 2x minus 3, and if a question is written that find the function of 1, so what you have to do is to put 1 in place of x. Right here is written 1, so you will be placing 1 minus 1. Answer will be minus 4. Okay. Similar to this, if in a question it is written function of minus 1, then we will putting minus 1 in place of x. So it will be minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Its answer will be 0. Okay. So if function is 2, then we write 2 here in place of x. Okay. Similar to this, if f of a is given to you, you have to find the value of a, then simple, you have to put a in place of x. Okay, this is the equation, simple. Similar to this, more going towards more complex, x square minus 2x minus 3. This was the simple general equation. If function of 1 upon x is asked from you, simple, 1 upon x square, you will be writing 1 upon x in place of x. Okay, you will be solving it further. X square minus 2 upon x minus 3. Okay, now if x minus 1 is asked from you, then you will put x minus 1 here. Okay, now you will be solving it further. A minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab minus b square. This formula will be open here. All right, and if f square is needed, then you will putting x square in place of x. Okay, ब्रैकेट में जो भी वैल्यू आपको मिलेगी आपको वो पुट करनी है. This is simple solution for the functions. If x अगर आपके पास ये सवाल हो, if fx is equal to 0, then what you have to do is to you have to put this equation equating with 0. Okay, you have to equate this equation is equal to 0 when this is given, because this is the function of x and here it is given it is equal to 0. Then you can calculate the value of x by simple solving it through factorization. Okay, there will be two values, minus 1 and comma 3. Okay, talking about more questions of the functions. If a function is given to you as under root x minus 2, and the values for this question they have asked for you from you 1 and 2, these all are the values given in the question and asked from you. So all the values, look, first of all, if we are putting it minus 1 in place minus 2, so it will be iota answer. So it's not a function, does not exist. In all cases, function is not exist. In 0, if we place 0 in this function 0 minus 2, then again iota will come in place because it's under root, so it is not also, it does not exist. If we place 1 minus 2 is also minus, and it will iota will appear, so it is also not exist, function does not exist. But if we put 2 in place of this, so 2 minus 2 is 0, so under root 0 is 0, so this is the function and it exists. All right, this is a function, it exists. Okay, now going more functions. Now the function given to you is 3x plus 2, and the question is asked as f inverse. How to calculate x inverse? What you have to do is to remove f from here, remove it from here, write x and place f inverse here, okay, as function of plus 2 as it is. Okay, simple. Now you can calculate it as x, this 2 will come here as minus 2 and this 3 will come in divide sign, and this will be f inverse of x for this function. Okay, it's very simple. Now talking about more questions. Question is function of x, x is square plus 4. Okay, you have to calculate again inverse function. Okay, simple, same like this. You have to remove function from here and it will be x and put inverse function in place of with the x, so it will be x square plus 4 because of this square I have put here square and this all in under root. Now I will be squaring on both sides to cancel this under root. Minus 1 x square plus 4. Okay, so this will be inverse function will be x square minus 4, and this root will be, this square will be cancelled with the root, so this will be the final answer for this function. Now the last question, 3x plus 2, you have to calculate f inverse and 2. This is given to you to calculate. What you will do, you will suppose it, let x is equal to f inverse 2. The question that you have to find, you will be let it as x. So if we remove inverse, so this will become fx is equal to 2. Okay, now coming here, so fx2 we will putting it here 2, 3x plus 2. Now 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. It is straightforward question. Okay, this is how you'll solve the inverse questions in your aptitude test.